Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to prove some theorems that are the converse of that theorems which I had already proved in our last class. Last time we had seen that in any parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, and diagonals bisect each other. Today we will see that in any quadrilateral, if opposite angles are equal, then that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. In any quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal, then we have to show that that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. And in any quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, then that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. So I have written here, prove that in any quadrilateral, if both pairs of opposite angles are equal, then that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Means in this quadrilateral ABCD, what is given? Opposite angles, angle A and angle C are equal, angle B and angle D are equal, and we have to show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. What we have to show? That this quadrilateral will become a parallelogram. What is the definition of parallelogram? Definition of parallelogram: it is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel. एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसके दोनों पेयर्स अपोजिट साइड्स के पैरेलल हो, दैट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. तो हमें इसमें क्या शो करना होगा कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है? वी हैव टू शो दैट AB पैरेलल टू DC एंड AD पैरेलल टू BC. और हमारे पास है क्या? हमारे पास है एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल C एंड एंगल B इक्वल टू एंगल D. अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. तो AB DC के पैरेलल कैसे हो सकता है एंड AD BC के पैरेलल कैसे हो सकता है? टू लाइंस को हमें पैरेलल शो करना है, देन व्हाट वी कैन प्रूव देयर that lines becomes parallel. You know, we have three methods to prove the two lines parallel. When two lines intersected by a transversal, and if any pair of corresponding angles becomes equal, that lines becomes parallel. If any pair of alternate angles becomes equal, then that lines will be parallel. And if any pair of co-interior angles becomes supplementary, then that lines will be parallel. तो अब देखो इसमें AB को DC के पैरेलल शो करना है. अगर हमें तो AB and DC are lines given and AD is a transversal. AD एक transversal है. Then you can see angle A and angle D form co-interior angles. By anyhow, if we prove that angle A plus angle D is equal to 180, means angle A and angle D becomes supplementary, then this line AB and DC will be parallel. तो हमें क्या शो करना होगा? हमें शो करना होगा कि एंगल A plus angle D is equal to 180. उसी तरीके से AD and DC are two lines and this DC is a transversal, then angle D and angle C form co-interior angles. By anyhow we have to show that angle D plus angle C is equal to 180. Then angle D and angle C will become co-interior supplementary angles, and that's why this AD parallel to BC. Okay, so I am going to prove this. You know, this is a quadrilateral, and what is the angle sum property of quadrilaterals? Sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So from here, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree by angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Okay, now it is given that angle C is equal to A. So angle C will be replaced by angle A. Angle A plus this is angle C, that will be replaced by angle A, and also angle B is equal to angle D. So angle B will be replaced by angle D plus angle D plus angle A plus angle D, that is equal to 360 degree. So from here you can see we have angle A plus angle A, that is twice of angle A, and angle D plus angle D, that is twice of angle D, that is equal to 360 degree. So from here what we have, twice of angle A plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So from here what we have angle A plus angle D angle A plus angle D is equal to 360 divided by 2, 180. 180 degree means angle A and angle D are supplementary angles. Okay, clearly AB will be parallel to DC. From here we can say that AB parallel to DC. Okay, what we have to write here? Reason: when two lines AB and DC are intersected by transversal AD such that a pair of co-interior angles becomes supplementary. That's why lines will be parallel. So AB becomes parallel to DC. Now again, see this from here you can write here from first we have angle A plus angle D equal to 180, and it is given that angle D is equal to angle B, angle D equal to angle B, or angle A equal to angle C. So replace angle A by angle C. So angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. What is the reason? Because angle A equals to angle C, it is given. Now angle C and angle D sum is equal to 180, means angle C and angle D becomes supplementary. Angle C and angle D are supplementary. Okay, supplementary angles. Okay, clearly this AD will be parallel to BC. AD will be, why? Because two lines AD and BC are intersected by transversal DC, then angle D and angle C are co-interior angles, and because their sum is equal to 180, and when co-interior angles are supplementary, it is only possible when lines are parallel. That's why we can say from here that AD is parallel to BC. We can say that AD parallel to BC. Now in quadrilateral ABCD, you can see here we proved here that AB is parallel to DC, and here we proved that AD parallel to BC. Means what? Both pairs of opposite sides of this quadrilateral becomes parallel. So that is the definition of parallelogram. From here we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So that is the complete proof of this theorem. Okay. Now next one, in any quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal, then that quadrilateral will be also a parallelogram. I am going to rub this. So pause the video and note down everything. So the next theorem, prove that in any quadrilateral, if both pair of opposite sides are equal, then that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. See, this is a quadrilateral ABCD, and here both pair of opposite sides are equal, means AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. What is given here? It is given here that in quadrilateral ABCD, AD equals to BC and AB equal to DC. Okay, we have to prove here, that quadrilateral ABCD is a पैरेललोग्राम. आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव दिस. फॉर प्रूविंग दिस अगेन वही चीज आपको प्रूव करना होगा कि AB पैरेलल टू DC एंड AD पैरेलल टू BC. आपके पास 3 वे है. Either so that co-interior angles become are supplementary, are alternate angles equal, or corresponding angles equal. तो इसके लिए आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा. कंस्ट्रक्शन. You have to draw any one of the diagonal. There are 2 diagonals AC and BD. You have to draw any one of that two. So join diagonal AC. Join diagonal AC. Yeah, draw a diagonal AC. Whatever you can write, you want to write, you can write. Okay. So join AC. Now, after joining this, you can see we have 2 triangles. One is ADC and another is CBA. So consider these 2 triangles. So that is the steps of proof in triangle ADC and triangle CBA. अब आप देखो ADC and CBA में AD equal to CB it is given, AD equal to CB it is given, and AB equal to DC it is also given, AB equal to DC it is also given. These 2 are given, and you can see that AC is equal to CA common in both. AC equal to CA, that is common side. Okay. AC is equal to CA, that is common side. So by all the 3 sides of this triangle are equal to the corresponding 3 sides of another triangle. So by triple S convention, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA by triple S congruency. And when all the when 2 triangles are congruent, we know that their corresponding angles will be equal. So from here we conclude that एंगल DAC, एंगल DAC, देखो अब DAC किसके इक्वल होगा? BCA से, A के, एंगल BCA के, एंड एंगल ACD, एंगल ACD विल बी इक्वल टू, देखो ACD हमने लिया तो इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग CAB, एंगल CAB, these 2 by CPCT. अब आप फिगर में देखो हमने क्या प्रूफ कर दिया यहां से, एंगल DAC इज इक्वल टू एंगल CBA. DAC देखो DAC इज दिस वन इज इक्वल टू CBA, सॉरी BCA दिस वन. These 2 angles becomes equal. अब आप देखो these 2 angles जिसमें मैंने टिक किया है, AD and BC are 2 lines. And these 2 lines AD and BC intersected by transversal AC. Then these 2 angles are interior alternate angles and they becomes equal, and it is only possible when lines are parallel. So from here we conclude that AD is parallel to BC. आप फिर से देखो AD and BC are 2 lines intersected by transversal AC. Then DAC and BCA, these 2 angles are interior alternate angles, and here we prove that interior alternate pairs becomes equal, and it is only possible when lines are parallel. That's why AD will be parallel to BC. So from here we conclude that AD is parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. ओके. एंड अब आप देखो सेकेंड हमने क्या प्रूव किया, ACD, एंगल ACD दिस इज इक्वल टू CAB दिस. ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल. अब आप फिर से देखो AB and DC are 2 lines intersected by transversal AC. तो ये जो दोनों में मैंने क्रॉस किया, ये 2 एंगल्स क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. यहां हमने क्या प्रूव किया कि इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए. ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब लाइंस पैरेलल हो, मींस AB पैरेलल टू DC हो जाएगा एंड AB पैरेलल टू DC. रीजन आप लिख सकते हो, when if 2 two lines intersected by any transversal such that any pair of alternate interior angles becomes equal, then lines will be पैरेलल. ओके, अब आप देखो हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया. AD BC के पैरेलल है, AB DC के पैरेलल है. मींस बोथ पेयर्स ऑफ दिस quadrilateral, both pairs of opposite sides of this quadrilateral becomes parallel. That's why by definition it is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram जो हमको प्रूव करना है. Okay, so that is very important. Last time we had seen that in any parallelogram opposite sides are equal, and here we proved here that in any quadrilateral if opposite sides are equal, that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now next one, last time we had seen that in any parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Now we will see that if in any quadrilateral diagonals bisect each other, that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. So statement is prove that if diagonals of any quadrilateral bisect each other, then that quadrilateral will be parallelogram. Consider a quadrilateral ABCD, draw its diagonal AC and BD, intersect at O such that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. What is given here? In quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are diagonals, intersect at O such that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Means diagonals bisect each other. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. We have to show to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So again फिर से आपको वही शो करना होगा कि AB DC के पैरेलल है एंड AD BC के पैरेलल, और कोई वे नहीं है. जब आप डेफिनेशन फुलफिल करा दोगे तो आप कह दोगे कि this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So I am going to prove this. See its proof. Consider these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, इजी है इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्वेंट शो करना, बिकॉज OA is equal to OC, it is given. OA equal to OC, it is given. Okay, and OB is equal to OD, it is given. OB equal to OD, it is also given. और आप देखो ये एंगल और ये एंगल, ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. एंगल AOB इक्वल टू एंगल COD, vertically opposite angles, clearly by side angle side property. These two triangles, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by side angle side property. And when two triangles are congruent, you know, when two triangles becomes congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. So from here we conclude that this angle OAB, clearly angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD by CPCD. ओके, तो हमने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? OAB is OCD, ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल है। अब आप देखो AB एंड DC टू लाइंस है, AC ट्रांसवर्सल है इन सच अ वे दैट दीज टू एंगल्स जो इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट पेयर बना रहे हैं इक्वल हो रहे हैं, तो ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब AB DC के पैरेलल। सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कंक्लूड दैट AB will be parallel to DC. From here we conclude that AB is parallel to DC. क्या रीजन लिखोगे? Because AB and DC are two lines. AB, DC, AB and DC, and DC are two lines intersected by transversal AC in such a way that a pair of alternate interior angles becomes equal. Okay, so lines will be parallel, that's why so AB parallel to DC. अच्छा, ऐसे ही ये जो ट्रायंगल है AOD और COB को हम कॉन्वेंट शो कर सकते हैं, और जब इसको कॉन्वेंट शो कर देंगे तो भाई CPCD ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल हो जाएगा, और देन BC विल बी पैरेलल टू AD हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे हम सिमिलरली करके लिख दे रहे हैं, सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव दैट AD पैरेलल टू BC, AD पैरेलल टू DC। अब आप देखो ये दोनों पेयर अपोजिट साइड्स के पैरेलल हो गए, दैट्स व्हाई दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम। ये इसका ओके, सो दैट्स एनफ फॉर टुडे। होमवर्क फॉर यू इज रिवाइज ऑल दीज 6, एक्चुअली 7, 4 पहले मैंने बताया था, आज 3 मैंने बताया, ऑल दीज 7 थ्योरम्स। Okay, thank you so much.